everyone, I am so excited. We have another new subscription for our channel, and this is a beauty subscription, so that makes me even more excited because honestly, like, beauty boxes are probably my favorite. I just get the most excited about it no matter how much makeup and skincare I already have. But like you probably already know from the title of this video, we are opening up the May test tube beauty box. I am so excited. I've heard really good things about this. So like usual, I pulled up the website since this is a new box so we can learn a little bit about it. But before I do that, I just want to remind you all that I do still have my 4,000 subscriber giveaway going on that ends May 8th and is open international. So I will leave a link to my giveaway video where I show all of the prizes and tell you how to enter. So definitely check that out if you have not yet entered. But yeah, let's get started. So Test Tube Beauty, I'm going to show you guys how this comes. There's some extras outside of it, so I'm keeping the box here, but it comes in this cute tube. Like, it's actually in a tube of product for you to test. Look how cute this is. Like, I need to save this and do something with it. What can I do with this? If you guys have any ideas, let me know. There's also a big pamphlet in here. I'm guessing this tells you about the products. And it looks like it does. But before I get into like the month's theme and all of that, let's see what this box is all about. So it says this is by New Beauty, and it's New Beauty's luxury sampling experience. You get over $150 in value and pay only $29.95. There is a shipping cost, I noticed when I purchased this, just so you know, so it's $29.95 plus shipping. This is a bi-monthly box. You get it every 2 months, not every single month. So that kind of helps when things are a little bit more expensive, getting it every other month. So let's see what else this says. It says this was founded so readers could try the products on the pages of New Beauty. So I think New Beauty is a magazine, or beauty magazine. I'm not really positive, but that's what it sounds like on the pages of New Beauty. It says Test Tube is a luxury sampling experience for discovery and access to the most innovative must-have beauty solutions. Every other month, members sample 8 or more full and travel size beauty products before investing in them. When it comes to what influences our subscribers' beauty purchases, 85% says they like to receive a sample first. Hold on. Archer, why are you crying? There's always a needy cat in this house. So yeah, I am super excited. So from my understanding, this is like very like skincare heavy, but I'm okay with that. I have so many skincare things, and I'm getting the BoxyCharm luxury or the limited edition skincare box this month. But you know what? I'm all about trying new products. So this is full of stuff, but it looks like there's 2 things at least that are inside the box that didn't fit in the tube, I'm guessing. So let's start with those items. And of course, I will link the website down below. I'm gonna see if there's a theme this month or anything like that. It looks like there is, and it is Spring Renewal. So it says, along with having longer days and brighter light during spring months, we get a chance to reevaluate, Marie Kondo style, and streamline our beauty routines the way we do our closets. That's why the May test tube is so amazing, and we are excited to share your soon-to-be favorite products to restore, rejuvenate, and reset everything from your skin to your scalp. And then there's a few more paragraphs there. I'm not gonna read it all to you, because that would probably be boring, but let's get into the products. So the first thing I see looks like a full-size product by Derma-E, a brand I do enjoy. This is their Vitamin C Instant Radiance Citrus Facial Peel with glycolic and lactic acids. I am super excited about this. Oh my gosh, let's see what this looks like. I love vitamin C. I use vitamin C oil by Sunday Riley every single day. Oh, and look, there's a little spoon on top, a mini spoon, so you can get the mask out and keep it more hygienic and not have to like dip your fingers into the tube again and again. I never thought about that being like unhygienic until recently. I always try to like wash my hands before I do my skincare anyways. So this is definitely full size. This is awesome. And on here it says ethical beauty. We are committed to your health, well-being, and the natural environment. That's why we make eco-ethical skincare. So it's vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, soy-free, made of recyclable material, and there's a windmill sign on there, so I don't know if it uses like sustainable energy or something like that. There is a safety seal on it, and it is orange. It like really is that color. And it smells like citrus. Oh man, I'm so excited to use this. Oops, I'm making a mess right here. This is like in a sturdy, heavy container too. Let's see what it says, if there's like pricing info or anything like that. I don't know. It looks like there is pricing info on their stuff. So this is $23.95. And there are codes in here for each of the items if you want to shop online. So if you are interested in any of the products, just leave a comment down below and I will give you those codes. But it says this is an ultra gentle fruit-derived facial peel with alpha hydroxy acids that remove dead skin for added smoothness and uneven tone. And then it gives some how to use and then some editor tips and talks about the key ingredients and also gives expert insight. I really like the pamphlet that comes with this. Each item has its own page and is very informative. I love how it talks about the ingredients. Like this talks about how it has a bunch of AHAs, like glycolic, lactic, and malic acids and stuff, and then it explains more about it. So I think that is awesome. I love like knowing more about the products I'm using besides just like a lot of other places, they just give you like how to use. They're like, oh, just put it on your face and then peel it off, you know, like stuff like that. But let's go to the next item that was outside of the test tube. This is by Shea Terra. This is the Shea Nulitic Cold Pressed Virgin Shea Butter, 100% organic. I probably said that one word wrong. So this is what it comes in. How big is this? This is about 60 mLs almost. Let me find it in here. So this is $16 and it says this is an organic creamy shea that hydrates and heals to help skin stay smooth as butter. So you can use it just on dry areas or you can even apply it to your face, body, cuticles, even under the eyes. Wow. So this must really be made with all good ingredients. So awesome. Now let's get into the tube. So fun. Okay, so this is what it looks like in there. I love this concept. This is so cool. So I'm gonna grab the item that almost fell out. This is by MMXV Infitude, a universal face treatment. Hopefully my camera is focusing today. It says it's for all skin types. I guess that makes sense. Universal facial treatment. Whoop, something just fell out. Well, there's like paper in there that probably talks more about the active ingredients and all of that. But this is what the little guide looks like. Okay, let's see what it says in the actual little pamphlet. Whoa, this must be the full size pricing. The full size is $225. What? This is a 7-in-1 beauty cream that can be used around the eyes and on the face and neck to restore hydration and illumination. $225. This stuff better be like magic. What? You just softly pat it into the skin during the day, at night, or whenever you need an extra pick-me-up. Yeah, the editor is saying that she uses it for pretty much everything. Under makeup, over makeup as an eye cream. It soaks right in. It's a powerful combo of white truffle, olive extract, and 3 different hyaluronic acids that work to moisturize, minimize fine lines, and brighten. I'm excited to try this out because this is clearly not the full size, but there's like enough in here if you just need a little bit to pat in. But that is expensive. Whoa. There's a big thing here. What is this? This is the Scalp Force. This is a UV filter hair tonic. Oh, cool. This is for scalp and hair. It's supposed to nourish, fortify. It has antioxidants, gives your hair shine, body manageability, smoothing, detangling, refreshing scent, free of parabens, alcohol, and sulfates. And this is obviously full size, cruelty-free, all that good stuff. So it says this is a UV filter hair tonic formulated to help protect the scalp and hair from harmful UV rays without weighing down the hair, allowing you to have an all-around good hair day. This is awesome for the summertime, especially here in Florida. Like the sun is so brutal and so bright. So I guess you can reapply this every 2 hours. So you can use this on dry hair. So cool. I am happy to have this. I don't have anything like this. I have the page open. So this is $26 and this is, like it says, all natural solution that protects the scalp and strands from the sun. Yeah. Oh, a Florida native made this, it says. Cool. Okay, let's move on to the next item. This looks like it's full size too. This is by Grand. Oh, okay. We've gotten stuff from BoxyCharm, I think, from them. The Grand Primer Pre-Mascara. So this is in white. So I guess this is supposed to give more dramatic lashes, boosted lash volume, intensified mascara look, and it's the preferred. Oh, and 94% of people preferred lashes with this primer. So this looks like it has like a white color. I'm actually using a mascara booster right now and I am liking it. So that might be like part of my routine right now. I'm using the VDL mascara booster slash primer that came in my most recent influencer box, and I really like it, so I'll probably use that up before I open this. But I actually think a primer does help, and this says it's fortified with lash plumping peptides. If it can plump my little teeny baby lashes, that would be awesome. I have like no natural lashes, they're like blonde and non-existent. So this is $25. Wow, it says your eye makeup's new water resistant best friend. Oh, that's cool, it's water resistant, especially for summer. This primer preps eyelashes with non-flake fibers and peptides to lengthen and ease mascara application. Awesome, I'm super excited to give that a try. Next up, this is by J. Cosmoon. Sorry if I'm saying that wrong. This is a lotion for normal to oily. It has beta-glucan, 2,000 parts per million, citrus scent, no artificial fragrance. Wow, this is very like scientific. Look, there's like a structure down there. So it says apply the lotion to your face and neck after cleansing while your skin is a little bit moist to retain moisture, which is recommended for all lotions. I always try and apply them when my skin's just like straight out of the shower after washing. So this is a good size. This is 50 mLs. This might be full size actually. Because yeah, this is big for a lotion. Let's see what it says. This is $32. It says it's a fast acting formulation for all skin types that's backed by serious science. Awesome, it's supposed to help relieve redness, boost collagen levels, and deliver total nourishment. It absorbs instantly and is non-greasy, so it won't stick to clothes or cause makeup to move. Cool, I want to see if I can get a scent of it. So it has a natural citrus scent, and I like that scent. There is a safety seal, which is cool. Yeah, it's a very light citrus scent, so I like that. But it's not like too heavy if you're not into fragrances, and it's natural, so it's not like added perfume or anything like that. All right, there's two more things. Next up is by Nakeo. They actually tell you how to pronounce it. Thank you. Nakeo Quinoa Depuffing and Firming Eye Cream. Ooh, it's made with quinoa. Cool. So it says, oh, there's like a story. I think I've tried this brand before, and I think I might have actually gotten it in another influencer box. That's funny. I was just talking about influencer. Let's see how big this thing is. Oh, inside the box is super cute. It talks more about everything. So I like how they use the actual box to give you more information, and you can see the beautiful founder of this. Cool. It talks about quinoa and all that stuff. Seems like everything's cruelty free, which I really appreciate. And this is a really good size for an eye cream. Awesome. Oh, and there's a cooling ceramic applicator. Awesome. Do you see that? I like how there's an applicator on it. Cool. Now let's read about this. This has got to be full size. $39. Wow, this box does have a great value. This says there's no need to carry any extra eye baggage with this depuffing and firming salve made with quinoa. Cool. And then the editor keeps this in their fridge, and then they apply it with their morning coffee for an extra cooling effect. That's a good idea. That would feel so nice. There's one last item in here, and I think I might have this already actually. So this will probably go in a future giveaway. This is the NCLA Los Angeles So Rich Vitamin E Infused Oil. I think I got this in a previous BoxyCharm, if I'm not wrong, and I do like it. I need to be better about using oils because I get dip manicures and it can dry out your nails, so I try and use them. So I like I have a few of them. I like leave them in different rooms so I can apply when I'm like watching TV or something. But this is $18, and it says roses may be red, but NCLA's purple softening vitamin E treatment oil has us green with hand model envy. The luxurious cuticle oil nourishes nails, smooths cuticles, and boasts a subtle rose scent. Cool, so yeah, that will be in my 5,000 subscriber giveaway, hopefully soon. But I think this was a really good box. Okay, first of all, I love how it comes like this. That's so cute. But we got a lot of items, and they say it's like for sampling beauty products before you buy them, but there were multiple full-size items in this box. So I am super happy with it. I'm trying to think what I'm like the most excited about. I don't know, I'm excited about everything. I am really excited to try this facial peel. I think that seems really cool. And now that I'm like very recently into eyelash primers, I'm glad to have another one since I only have a sample size. But I'm excited to try honestly all of these items. I'll use all of it besides this cuticle oil, but I'm going to put that in a giveaway, so I'm cool with that. I've been keeping like most of my stuff for myself, like almost every box. So it's nice to like give back to you guys. So yeah, again, enter my giveaway if you have not yet already. But anyways, let me know your thoughts, what you think about this box. And if you're interested, I will leave their website down below. And again, if any of these items intrigue you, just ask for the coupon code and I will give that to you. But anyways, thank you so much for unboxing with me. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.